What's up guys, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial and also a brand new video. Hello. So I created this look here using two palettes, both by Morphe and both affordable. So if you want to see how I got this look here, go ahead and watch. And also I forgot to mention in the end that I applied this lip color, which is by ColourPop, and I Love Saudi collaboration in 951. I gotta focus. Whatever, 95. And this is a voiceover tutorial because my child was in the background. My child was in the background making noise, and I'm pretty sure that's kind of annoying sometimes. So I'm just gonna do a voiceover. And I hope you guys all enjoy this tutorial because I kind of did. I'm really liking this look. And I finally got lashes that I can tell you the name of, because usually when I put on my lashes I don't name the lashes because they're two stacked together and I've had them for a while. I clean them obviously, so that's why I keep them for a while, and I always throw away the box because I have them in this thing here that my sister got me. Well, she didn't give me it, she got it for free I think or something, I don't know. So I keep like all my lashes. Was that a dog hair? I keep my lashes in here with my earrings, and some of my bobby pins are in here for some reason. Anyways, I hope you all, like I said, I hope you all enjoy this tutorial, and until next time. So I'm going to go in using the Jaclyn Hill palette in Morphe with the color Creamsicle, and I did already prep my eyes with the Kat Von D High Voltage Prime Correct Primer. And all I'm going to be doing is applying this all over to my lid and crease and going back and forth, and really all it just is right now is just building up this color. So I go into the palette many times to build this color up so it can be noticeable in my transition color for when I'm using other colors. Run to the ocean when we're gone, we will live. Next, I am going into the Morphe 35C palette and grabbing this yellow and applying this on top of the color that I just applied to give it a more yellow undertone, and just sweeping this all over my lid and crease as well. Going back into that palette, I'm picking up 3 of the purple shades that are in that palette, mixing them all together, and using a flat brush to sort of apply this on my lid and somewhat into my crease. I'm not going beyond my crease, and I'm just going back and forth and also dabbing it on. Next, I'm going in with the blending brush and just blending that all out in my crease, making sure there's no harsh edges, making sure I blend it in really good. And just a FYI people, I really fucking suck at this voiceover shit. Anyways, next I went in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, applied a generous amount to my lid, and I looked up and it transitioned to the top of my lid or whatever, and you just lightly I don't even fucking know anymore. Like, I totally suck at this voiceover and I'm not gonna edit this out. I'm just letting y'all know. But yeah, you do this shit here, but very gently, because if you go out from the desired line, then you're going to fuck up like I did there in the inner corner. So you're gonna have to make it a little bit bigger, but just do it very carefully. Now I'm going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm picking up the color Obsess, which is like a purple pinkish glitter tone, and applying that. At first I was applying it with my brush, but it wasn't really picking up much, so I did it with my finger, and that wasn't working as much, so I sprayed a little bit of Fix Plus on my brush and picked up some more shadow, and it made it pop a lot more. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Kylie gel liner in the color black, obviously, and I'm just going to be applying that for my wing. So after I am done with my eyes, I'm going to get started on my face, and I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Wear Foundation, and I highly recommend this shit. It is like the best foundation I've ever used, and I have dry skin and it works amazing for my face. I already prepped and primed my face with the Clinique's Dramatically Moisturizing Lotion, as well as the Professional Brightening one, I believe. And now I'm just applying a generous amount foundation to my face, and you want to work on one side first before you do it all over because it kind of dries quick. Next, I'm going back in with my Maybelline Fit Me using two different colors, one that's close to my color and another that is lighter. And I'm going to be applying the one that is close to my color first, which is Sand Sable, I believe, closer to the under circles of my eye. And then I'm going to be applying the lighter shade below that color, kind of like highlighting, I guess, as well as the tip of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to be using a smaller beauty blender. I got these at Ulta and they come in handy. When applying my translucent powder with this foundation, I just apply it underneath my eyes, and whatever excess powder I have left over, I just dab it in and the rest of my face, since this is a matte foundation and I don't want to look too cakey. After applying that in and kind of spreading that around with my smaller beauty blender, I'm going to go in with a bigger beauty blender and just pressing in whatever excess powder is, make sure everything is set in perfectly. So I'm going in with this Too Faced palette. I totally forgot what it was called, but I'm going to be going in with the bronzer, and there's two blushes. First applying the bronzer to my cheekbones as a contour, then my forehead and my fat double chin. Then I'm going to be going in with both of those blushes and applying that to my cheekbones. After I've done that, I'm just going to kind of carve out my cheekbones, because the little double chin there makes my face look a little bit fatter, so I want to make my shit look chiseled. And I'm just gonna get my translucent powder and sort of carve out and bake, not too long though. And then I'm gonna be going in with the same colors I used on my lids and use it on my lower lash line. Yeah. Next, I'm going in with the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, however you say it, and I'm going to be going in with the Pink Opal and Ultraviolet Amethyst and putting it into my inner corner for a highlight. Next, I'm going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit using the colors Summer and as well Moonstone. And bam, blinding you bitches. Literally my favorite highlight palette. And I don't even own a whole bunch of highlighters. Shit, I only own like probably 3. But this is seriously the best highlight palette I've ever, well, I just said I don't own a lot, but it's literally a good ass highlighting palette. Like, it is bomb.com. Do y'all see that? Like, do y'all see that? Put some fucking sunglasses on, y'all, because I am blinding y'all. Anyways, I am highlighting my cheekbones, my chin, the bridge of my nose, as well as my forehead, like where the arches of my brows are. I don't know if that makes sense, but I got this shit from Desi Perkins. And I actually love that idea. But yeah. So now what I'm going to be doing is curling my lashes before I apply my false lashes. And you guys, I had the whole fucking package of lashes, like the name of it and everything, and I just forgot I was cleaning and I threw the fucking packet away, and I totally forgot what these lashes are called, but they are by Ardell, and it's like a faux mink lashes or whatever. And as you can see, I'm having trouble applying this because the band is so much thicker than what I usually use. So bear with me here. So finally, after 30 minutes, no, I'm kidding. That's how much it felt like after finally achieving to get this hole on my eyelash. As you can see, it's not even on there. I'm going to be going in with the Kylie liner in the color black and just applying that to the top of my waterline, and bam, wham, and done, bitches. This is my final look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm sorry for my horrible voiceover. Wait for it. And bam. Oh my god, I fucking hate lipstick. Thanks for watching.